Okay guys, so we'll come back to another straight yard cooking guys. Today we're gonna make something special for you guys. Gonna make something nice. So here we have today guys, some minced beef, right? It's like over a little bit over a pound guys. So I'm gonna make, you wanna know what I'm gonna do with that guys? I'm gonna make some jerk barbecue meatballs. This one is gonna be a banger guys, so stay tuned. Watch the video to the end guys. And remember to like, share and subscribe to get into the video guys. Alright, stay tuned for this one guys. So I'm gonna take this out. Take this out of the pot guys. Everything get expensive now. Put him in this one. This one is gonna full of flavor guys. This one is gonna be so nice and epic. Okay guys, so guess what happened now guys? We're gonna season up our ground beef guys. So gonna go in with some you know, I'm not gonna measure it, I'll tell you the measurement because I know it in my head. I just put some garlic, some onion powder guys on it, like about a half teaspoon. Go ahead with some, like a teaspoon. A easy spice guys, chicken Maggi, Miss Maggi, you know we can't work without that guys. Go ahead with some garlic powder guys. See it there, like about quarter teaspoon. Season up where I season up my people. So go ahead and with the complete. Okay? That is a full of flavor, you know guys. That's nice. Yeah, now go ahead now, my people. With my original thing, you know, we can't stop you that thing here. Thing here, nice. Easy spice, guys. Straight from Jamaica. I'm going with about quarter teaspoon, half teaspoon. Right, my peeps. That's all the seasoning where I use. No more seasoning, guys. So what we're gonna do? Go in and mix him up. Get all of the seasoning. Mix up in the meat, guys. Understand? Yeah, cause them meatballs are gonna be so nice. All you're doing, guys, combining all the seasoning in the meat. Okay, my peeps? Right, so now that is seasoned, let him stay right there. I'm gonna wash off my hand and come right back on the boat, guys. So stay tuned. People, see the key thing here? Walker's jerk spice. Hot and spicy. So we are going with like about 2 teaspoons, guys. That's it, no more. This is 1 pound, it's not a lot of beef. Go back in now, peeps. Mix them in. Mix everything in it. It's gonna give it the jerk flavor, guys. Right. That look good, peeps. So, okay, my people. Gonna go ahead. We're gonna put 2 eggs in him, guys. 2 eggs. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, guys, so now the egg in it. That's for the combined purpose. I'm gonna go ahead. Add some breadcrumbs, my people. See it there? Some breadcrumbs. Italian style breadcrumbs, guys. Okay? I'm gonna go add like about half cup in it, guys. But this is gonna do the combining. Yeah, like that. That's gonna make the magic happen, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead, guys, and mix him up. Mix him in. Mix everything in, guys. Combine everything. Know it going on. Have to work. Have to involve in this type of meal, guys. Yeah, mix him out. Combine everything together, guys. Keep combining everything together. Combine everything together, guys. Combine everything together. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, man. Combine everything together. Work it. Just work it, guys. Work it. Good. Alright, you see? This is what I'm talking about. You see what I'm looking now, guys? It's well combined already almost. See that? So, I'm gonna clean off my hand because I had some more ingredients to add to it, guys. And I'm gonna come right back. Okay, guys. I have a little onion here. I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm gonna use a little piece of this. And I don't need half of this neither, just a little piece. Right. Okay. So guys, we're gonna cut this up. Cut him up, guys. It's gonna be so nice, guys. It's gonna be full of flavor. And there's so much flavor in this one, guys. Seriously. Yeah, pips. I don't need all of this because I'm gonna use a piece of yellow one also. I'm gonna cut them real fine. So, yeah. We have to have some bell peppers in this dish, guys. Some bell peppers give it a kick. Just me. To have some bell peppers in this one. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead, my people. I'm gonna add some little piece of Kelly on here. I don't really need down here too much. Just need the flavors, guys. Flavors. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Use these two pieces to lighten up scallion, man. Okay. Alright, my peeps. So we're gonna go ahead again and mix him in. Mix him in. Mix him in. Mix him in, guys. Mix him in. Mix him in. It's gonna full of flavor, guys. It's gonna be so nice. Gonna be so nice, guys. This is loaded of flavors, guys. Loaded of flavors. And guys, the bigger the bowl is better. So you have more space, you can mix them in easily. Okay? But I know what I'm doing, so it's not bad. Just take your time. You'll get there. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This one gonna be off the chain. This is gonna be so nice, guys. You guys need to come and try this one. Trust me. Okay, guys, so stay tuned. Watch the video, guys. I'm about to start frying now, guys. I'm gonna take it to the next level of this meatball. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Okay, guys. So we're gonna get right to the frying of the meatballs, guys. So first, I'm gonna put my pan on. Let it get dry. Let it get hot before I add my oil, guys. So right away, I'm gonna go ahead and start boil these up, guys. In the meantime, the pot is hotting, so I could add the oil, guys. So you could make them in any size you want, my peeps. But I'm not gonna make them in such a big balls. I'm just gonna make them in some nice little bite size, okay? Some nice little bite size. Okay, my peeps? Nice little bite size. Some people make big ones, they make them big. Like this, guys. Okay? To make them big, you could make them small, but I'm just making them nice, decent size. This is gonna be so nice. Full of ingredients. Okay, guys, so now the pan is hot. I already boiled them out, guys. They're right here. And guys, these are the meatballs, guys. They're already boiled up and ready to go. So I'm gonna add some oil in the pan, guys. Like about a cup or a half cup. Let me see. Yeah, about a cup of oil, guys. Okay. Let that get hot. And we're gonna keep on moving, guys. And guys, you see when you're cutting up these seasoning in the meatballs, before you start cutting them up, make sure you don't cut up a lot, guys. Because if you don't know how to cut them, they won't combine in the meatball like this. It will be chewing you off all the time, so you can combine them. Don't put a lot. Just a little piece of onion, little piece of scallion. Yeah, and a little piece of bell pepper, guys. Alright, my peeps, so let the oil go on hot. And we're gonna fry some meatball. We're gonna get this baby popping, guys. This is what I'm talking about, and we're gonna give you something nice today, guys. So remember to like, share, and do a subscribe to the channel, guys, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Just straight here in my kitchen and do something here. Go over there, go watch what I go on. All of my elder them one love. All of my youngsters them one love. Everybody, all YouTube, everybody, one love. And welcome straight to your kitchen, guys. We love them over here. Get the oil hot. And then I'm gonna put my meatballs in some. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do it. See it, guys? Nice meatballs. So, in our pot. And at this point, guys, we're gonna go down on medium. Like about 4. You don't wanna fry them. Push the fire under them and burn them. I'm gonna take your time and fry them, guys. It's gonna be some of the nice meatballs you ever eat, guys. So them look well set, ready to go. That's what we're talking about, guys. So we're gonna let that stay and cook. We're gonna fry them on both sides and get them cooked perfectly. And then we're gonna go in the next part of it, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. And you will see how I make the banger sauce for this, guys. And that's gonna be the what? Best jerk barbecue meatball, guys. Okay, guys. So now we're on the last batch. Okay, guys. So watch how it look. You see all them flavor you see outburst? You're going to see what I'm going to do with them later on, guys. When you make the sauce. So stay tuned and watch the program. Watch the video to the end, guys. And remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Help push the algorithm up the line, guys, so then a lot of people can see the video then. Okay? You know we love you over here. So we take time to cook them. Yeah. Time and do them, guys. No rush. Okay, guys. You see how I'm cooking it? Slow cooking, guys. And I'm getting the perfect color. And I'm getting cooked perfectly. I'm on medium low, guys. You can't put it on high. Because if you put it on high, guys, with all the seasoning in it, and it's gonna burn. And then outside gonna be burned, and inside gonna be not cooked. And you're gonna think inside cook, but it's not cooked. So take your time, easy. Take your time, slow cook them, guys. But they cook perfectly. And nice and brown like this. See? Nice and brown. These ones are ready to take them out, guys. Just like these. These are the finishing touch. Ready to go. And guys, you can eat this by themselves. Trust me, the flavor they got, You don't want to meet it. See the guys? Nothing pink. Well cooked. And I'm telling you, you can eat this by itself. This look at flavor. Yo, this can eat just like that. Flavor, guys. This new flavor. Guys, you need to check it out. You need to try it at home. Trust me, try it. And drop the scripture, drop the taste in the comment. Let me know what it tastes, guys. Check it out. Straight out TV. Then I want to give you guys some bangers. I'm gonna make this fast. Just need a little bit of oil with it. And that aloe's burn and aloe's crunch from the season. Gonna make this turn over. So okay now my peeps. All of them season because I see them look for them I go make sauce. So right now my people, we have some Diana here. I'm going with some Miss Diana. Guys, I don't really get this sauce to buy here. My sister bring it from Canada because these seasons don't sell over here. And we can't get them in Jamaica. So yeah, she always bring them for me. By now we have about half of this Diana. Boil in with some spicy honey barbecue, my people. Sauce gonna be so nice. So nice. Yeah, with about half of it too. Then me are going my pips with some spicy honey. Okay? So I say I go mush. Gonna put like about a tablespoon of this. Tablespoon of honey. Six pips. Then I'm gonna add a special season to this, my people. Little bit of rosemary. Just a little bit to give it a kick. Yeah, that kick. And then my people, I have something special here. It's ginger. Put a little bit of ginger and I fix him up properly. Let the sauce being like one of the world famous sauce, guys. When you taste it, you're gonna say, wow. Now my pips, mixing the sauce. Mixing the sauce. Mix it. Wow, you can smell the flavor already, guys. Wow. Guys, I'm gonna add a little water because I'm gonna bring it to boil. I'm gonna bring it to boil. I'm gonna bring it to boil, guys. See, that's still nice and rich and thick. That's what I like. Yeah, good. All I need for this, little guys, is boil up. And once it boil up, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to the meatballs. So stay tuned, watch the program. So I'm gonna add back, guys. And next season that I really want to add, give it this sauce a kick. Jerk. Oh, cause jerk sauce, guys. Let this sauce turn over, guys. Okay, guys, so this gonna give it a kick. Okay, guys, so gonna go ahead, add some. Oh boy, this pepper is catch bandit, you know, my friend. So I'm putting a little bit, like about half a teaspoon. It's a tablespoon I'm using. And I want to taste it, guys, before I go more with this spur tree Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, guys, we're gonna give it a kick now. So let me taste it now, guys. This is what we're talking about, guys. Yeah, nice. So, guys, what I'm gonna do? I'm going add my meatballs. Add my meatballs to that sauce, guys. I'm gonna add the meatballs, guys. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. And what you're gonna do, guys? Mix it up. Mix it all up. Just like that. See that? Oh, it's gonna be so nice. Guys, I'm gonna close him up, put him on high for like 2 minutes, guys. And then we out. We finish. But stay tuned and finish watching the video first, guys. Cause this is a banger. Trust me, the flavor is so nice, guys. So always remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys? And wait till later on, I have more coming for you. Lot of bangers straight here on TV. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm talking about. You see that? Wow. See that? Wow. Wow. Yes, my people. See that? This is the best barbecue jerk meatball, guys. Check it out. Trust me, you will never regret this one. This one is off the hook. Epic. So, guys, remember tell our next friend, tell a friend, say, yo, check out the meatball video. They're crazy. And test it for yourself, guys. Do it just like I do it, and you will get a perfect result all the time, guys. Trust me, step by step, from start to finish. And here you go, guys. Bang on. So, guys, thank you for watching the video. I always come back to watch the video, guys. Love and respect. So, guys, remember, this is the thing. So, wait, I'm going to dig in it for you, guys. Just give me a minute. My people, I'm gonna dig in it. Can't wait to test it, man. Wow. Wow, you see that, guys? Perfectly cooked. Perfecto. I want a little sauce on him. So I'm gonna drizzle him. Drizzle him. That is it. Guys, let me tell you. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Wow. Can't top this. This is the flavor, guys. Wow. It's so nice. Trust me, guys. So nice. So nice. Yes, sir. That is it, brother. Check it out. Cook it for yourself. Taste it. Tell me how it tastes in the comment section, guys. Because I know this one is off the hook. It's full of flavor, guys. Flavor like crazy. Trust me on that one. When I'm telling you, this can eat with like some mashed potatoes, probably some white rice, some potato salad, guys. Could I eat just by itself, guys? Trust me. This is so nice. Wow. The flavor is crazy, guys. So, guys, remember, like and share and subscribe to the channel, guys. And tell them that Straight is cooking up a stam over there, guys. One love, we out.